Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we jump in, if you're thinking about trying FlexClip, I have dropped a special link in the description that gives you access to the latest deal, so check that out. Now this isn't going to be a tutorial or step-by-step demo. This is my honest review of FlexClip. I have used quite a few video editing tools over the years and I wanted to share whether FlexClip is actually worth your time or just another drag and drop editor with hype. So let's get right into it, what FlexClip actually offers. So in case if you don't know what FlexClip is a browser-based video editing tool. Basically, it lets you create videos without downloading any software. It's all online. It's aimed at people who want to make marketing videos, YouTube content, social media clips, and promos fast. Think of it as a simpler alternative to something like Premiere Pro or CapCut. More beginner friendly, more template driven, and way faster for quick projects. Now let's talk about what FlexClip can actually offer. First off, one of the strongest parts of FlexClip is its massive library of stock videos and media. You can literally search and drop clips from different categories: business, travel, lifestyle, education, anything, without needing to hunt for B-roll somewhere else. Then there are these templates, and this is where it really shines for beginners. You can start from scratch or use one of the hundreds of pre-made templates for promos, ads, intros, slideshows, social media videos, and the templates already have transitions, animations, and layout built in. So all you really do is replace the text and maybe the visuals. And also FlexClip gives you two editing modes. The first one is the storyboard mode, which is super simple, ideal if you want to just drag and drop and record clips without touching complex layers. And then you have this timeline mode, which gives you more control if you're someone who wants to fine tune audio, trim multiple clips, or adjust layers like the traditional editor. Besides that, FlexClip includes a surprising number of built-in tools. So if you click here, you can see some of the tools. So things like you can add text, music, voiceovers, or watermarks. You can convert to compressed video. You can record your screen. You can make GIFs and memes, add filters, transition, overlays and effects, auto-generate subtitles, even create video collage or motion graphic. So yeah, it's basically an all-in-one web-based studio for quick polished content. Now let's talk about what I actually liked using it. So the first thing is its ease of use. So it's very extremely intuitive. You don't need to learn how to edit. Everything works with double clicking or dragging. That's a huge plus if you're someone who just wants to get content out fast. And there is template saving. I tried a ton of editors and FlexClip templates probably save the most. They look professional and can make something YouTube ready or Instagram ready in minute. And there is a bunch of stock library. A lot of editors log good stock media behind paywalls or give you just a few clips. FlexClip includes thousands, which makes creating visuals interesting, videos much easier. And also talking about the performance, because it's browser based, you don't need a high-end PC. It runs smoothly even on modest setups. And also talking about the pricing compared to competitors, it's very reasonable. The free plan is basic but fine for testing, and the plus or the business plan unlocks 1080p, exports more stock clips, unlimited features, and even those are priced decently. So overall, I would say FlexClip nails the sweet spot between simplicity and value. Now it's not perfect. There are a few things I wish that was way better. So the first thing is the limited advanced control. If you're someone who loves fine grains, keyframes, masking, or advanced color correction, FlexClip won't give you that. It's not meant for cinematic editing. And also, since it's online, exporting can take a bit longer depending on your internet speed. Not a deal breaker, but worth mentioning. But honestly, these are small trade-off considering how fast it lets you get content out. So my final thoughts on FlexClip, like, is it worth it? So if you're a beginner, marketer, or creator who just wants clean, easy way to make professional videos without learning heavy software, then yes, FlexClip is 100% worth trying. If you're a seasoned video editor looking for advanced editing capabilities, you might find it limited, but for quick, high quality project, it's surprisingly solid. Overall, I would rate FlexClip a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's fast, beginner friendly, affordable, and honestly makes video creation fun again. Once again, the link to check it out along with any ongoing course is in the description. Go take a look while the special deal is still live. Thanks for watching. I hope this honest review helped. If you have tried FlexClip yourself, drop your thoughts in the comments. I would love to know your experience.